Do you know about Twitch? Well, so in this video, we're going to show you how to quickly install the Twitch app on your iPhone so you can start streaming or watching your favorite content creators in no time. So let's begin. First, let's go to the App Store. Look for the blue icon with a white E on it. Tap on it to open. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now, type in Twitch in the search bar at the top. You should see Twitch as one of the first results. It's the app with a purple icon and a white chat bubble logo. Tap on Get to begin downloading. If you're asked for Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, go ahead and authenticate to start the installation. If you encounter any installation errors, please leave a comment below and we will assist you. Let's go back to topic. Now, just wait for the download to complete. Once it's done, you'll see an Open button appear. Tap on Open to launch the Twitch app. Now you're ready to sign in or create a new account if you're new to Twitch. And there you have it. You're now all set to explore live streams, follow your favorite creators, or even start streaming yourself on Twitch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time on Twitch. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.